The 2009 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is still under 75,000 kilometers. Mitsubishi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Mitsubishi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated seats, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Mitsubishi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.